Yes, students, the first question of assignment 1 is, can we reverse the following changes? If yes, suggest the name of method. Okay, we have to tell that is the process can be reversed. If it can be reversed, if you are saying yes, then you have to suggest the method. Okay, you have no need to suggest the method for water into water vapor. You have to suggest the method for its reverse. Yes. So there is confusion about this concept. Okay. So water is it can be converted into water vapor, and this reverse can also be taken place. Okay. So we can convert water vapor into water. Can we convert water vapor into water form? Yes. It can be reversed. Okay. You have to write, yes, it can be reversed. You will write, yes, it can be reversed. You have to write proper answer. It can be reversed. Then write the method for its reverse, not from water into water vapor. You have to write for water vapor, how we can convert the water vapor into water. It is by the process of condensation. Okay. Now, ice into water. It can be reversed. Yes, it can be reversed. Okay. So we will write yes, it can be reversed. By which method, Avni? By which method we can convert water into ice?
Ma'am, freezing.
Yes, very good. Freezing. So now it is clear to you all? Yes. So water vapor into water. Yes, Himanshu?
Ma'am, heating.
Water vapor into water, we can we can reverse the change. Yes. So it is by yes, it can be reversed. By which process we can convert the water into water vapor? The process in
Heating.
which, name the process.
Ma'am, condensation.
No, bache, we have to convert water into water vapor.
Ma'am, evaporation. Ma'am, evaporation.
मम्मा थोड़ी देर दीदी से फिर नोटबुक से काम करना की जड़ी डोंजली रफ
Please,
उत्ते
students.
रफ काम करना
Water vapor into water, yes, it can be reversed. By which process you can convert water into water vapor?
Evaporation.
Yes.
Evaporation.
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 Good. Okay. Evaporation. EVAPORATION. Okay. Now, can you convert curd into milk and then you can reverse the change milk into curd? No, it cannot be reversed. It is which type of reverse? Sorry, which type of change it is?
Irreversible change.
Yes, it is irreversible change.
Irreversible change.
No, it cannot be reversed. So there is no need to write any reason. You will only write no, it cannot be reversed.
मैम मैम वहाँ पे तो सोड मिल्क था.
हाँ जी.
मैम असाइनमेंट पे सोड मिल्क था.
Oh yes, you can write in both ways. Okay, I am just explaining you because some students are confused about the concept. Therefore, I have written in explain
Excuse
form.
me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम कल क्वेश्चन 4 में मुझे आ नहीं रहा था वर्क
Question 4.
असाइनमेंट का.
कोई बात नहीं, we will discuss the whole assignment today. Don't worry about it. Okay. Now next we will do the second question of assignment. How is the iron blade fixed into the wooden handles of digging tools? Yes. Anyone? Tanishka, please raise your hand, bache. Tanishka, please answer.
The iron blade is fixed into the wooden handle by the following ways. The blacksmith takes a slightly smaller ring than the wooden handle and heats it so it expands. The handle now can easily fit into the ring. After some time, the ring cools down and it contracts and fits tightly onto the handle.
Yes. So what will happen? The first there it includes the heating of the iron blade. Yes. So then what will happen on heating? It will expand. Yes. When it will expand, it becomes bigger in size. Yes. At the moment it becomes bigger in size, you can easily fix the wooden handle into the iron blade. Okay, so when it will cool down, and what will happen? Contraction takes place. So in this way we can fit the iron blade into the wooden handles of the digging tools. Okay, now it is clear. Very good, Tanishka. Now next is
मैम इसका थर्ड पॉइंट क्या है? मैम
students,
इसका थर्ड पॉइंट.
third point. Firstly, I am repeating again. Heat the iron blade. Okay, it will expand and it will become bigger in size. Okay, then you can easily fix the wooden handle. Okay, third point is when it will cool down, and cooling will cause contraction. So in this way we can fix the iron blade into the wooden handles of the digging tools. Clear? Now next we will proceed to the third. If we heat water in a pan, it begins to boil after some time, but on further heating, water in the pan starts reducing. Why? Firstly, it boils, but when we continue to heat it, what happens? The amount of water reduces. Yes. Just wait. Now other student will answer. Please raise your hand. Very good. Prisha.
When we boil the water,
Yes.
when we boil the water for some more time, it will start to reduce because the water in the pan start to evaporate and it start to become water from the water vapor.
Yes, very good.
It becomes water from the water.
Sorry, last line. Repeat the last line
It-
again, bache.
It becomes water vapor from water.
Yes. Now, how you can write it? When we heat water in pan, it begins to boil. Yes, it is right. Now, but when we further heat it, the water in the pan starts reducing because water changes into water vapor. Okay, your first point will be water changes into water vapor, and next you will write so process of evaporation takes place on heating. Okay, third point will be water water in the pan starts reducing. Okay, only 3 points you have to write. Okay, you will write the answer in points. Simple 3 points. Okay. Now, very good, Prisha. Next is third one. Oh, sorry. Yes. Now we will do question number 4. A black material called tar is used for repairing tools. What type of change occur in the tar on heating? Yes. Please raise your hands who know the answer. Very good. Other students will also please participate also. Don't hesitate. Please raise your hand. Anshu, yes बच्चे?
मैम मेरी अभी मैम है ना मैम मेरा घर पे मैम दूसरा स्मार्टफोन मैम खराब हुआ है तो मैम ये वाले स्मार्टफोन से मैम लगाया मैम तो मैम उसमें जूम वाला ऐप डाउनलोड नहीं हुआ मैम तो आप बताएंगे क्या करा आपने ये क्लास में.
You can see the video बच्चे. We are doing assignment 1 that I have given to you. Okay. Yes, we are doing assignment. Yes, Javish.
Thank you मैम.
Yes. Answer question number 4.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, very good morning. Yes, बच्चे.
Ma'am, the heating of tar is a reversible change because we can cool it and it can be reversed again and again.
Okay. Yes, it can be reversed. What will happen on heating? It will become.
Ma'am, it will become road.
No, when we heat the tar, what will happen, बच्चे? If we heat something, then if we apply heat to the tar, and it will expand. Okay, on cooling,
Ma'am,
what happens? Contracts. That is a process of contraction. Yes. Ame?
Ma'am, on heating tar, it will become in liquid form.
Yes.
When they put it in the on the road,
Yes.
after some time it becomes solid. So
Very good.
so that it repairs the road.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is also used to repair homes of sometime when it leakage.
What is the last line?
Ma'am, it is also used
Student,
to
there is no need to write because there is only reason is asked about what type of change occur. Okay. You have to give answer point to point. Okay. Okay. So how you can write it? Tar is a first point will be tar is a black material that is used for making roads. Yes. And what will be the second point? On heating, it melts. Okay. And become liquid. Okay. Then
Ma'am,
it is
can you
spread.
please repeat the question?
Question number 4.
Ma'am, answer.
Okay. So the answer is tar is a black material used for making roads. Okay. When on heating, it melts. Yes. And becomes liquid. Then it is spread on the road. Then third point will be that on cooling, it solidifies. Solidifies means it becomes solid. Or you can write it become solid. Okay. Now, then, so it is a reversible change. Clear? Now, next we will, last line will be, so it is a reversible change. Okay? SOLIDIFIES. Okay? Solidifies. Now, next is question number 5. It is, a balloon is inflated by blowing air. How will you reverse this change? If an inflated balloon is pricked with a pin, will you be able to reverse this change? Explain. Hridayka? But I don't know I pronounce your word correctly.
Ma'am Hrideka.
Yes?
Ma'am Hrideka.
Hridayka. I always
Ma'am,
forget, I don't know why.
Ma'am, by deflating the balloon, we can reverse this change.
Yes.
And ma'am, if the balloon is pricked, then it will it will not be reversed because there is a hole in the balloon.
Yes, I am telling. What will happen? There is not only a hole. Then the balloon will burst off. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So how you have to write is, when the balloon is inflated by blowing air, we can reverse the change. Okay. By letting the air escape from it. Yes, we can reverse the change. Okay, so it is a reversible change. Good. It is right. Now, but what will happen when we prick the balloon? It will burst off. Yes, so it will become a reversible change that cannot be reversed. Okay, right? Now it is clear? Yes. Now next is, how does a blacksmith change a piece of iron into different tools? What type of change occurs in iron? Yes, raise your hand, Manjot.
A blacksmith heats the iron until it is red hot. Then he puts the liquid iron into a particular shaped container and leaves it to get cool and hard. This is how a blacksmith changes a piece of iron into different tools.
Yes, good, bache. But there is an important point that when it heats, it becomes red hot. Yes, it is an important point of this answer, that it becomes red hot. That means it becomes soft. At that time, it can be bitten into any shape. Okay. So how you will write it? Blacksmith change a piece of iron into different tools by heating it. First point will be the by heating it. Okay. Second will be when a piece of iron is heated, it will become nahi. What you will write in the second point is, it is heated till it becomes red hot. Okay, it is easy. Okay, it is heated till it becomes red hot.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, bache.
ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Okay, I am repeating again. The first point, you will write the answer in points. Okay. So the blacksmith change a piece of iron into different tools by heating it. Okay. Clear? It is heated till it becomes red hot, then it becomes soft and can be bitten into any desired shape. Clear? Now we will do the exercise, back exercise question answer given on page number 51 of your book. Please open. Student, now we will discuss question number 3 of NCERT back exercise. Okay. The sawing of a piece of wood. Can it be reversed or not? You have to just write yes or no. Yes, Sargunpreet, bache? Answer?
No, ma'am, it cannot be reversed.
Yes. It cannot be
No.
reversed. You will write no. Next is the melting of ice candy. Ghazal?
Yes.
Yes, it can be reversed. So you will write answer yes. Okay. Dissolving sugar in water. Rudra.
Ma'am, yes, it will reversible.
It is yes or no?
Ma'am, yes.
Yes. How it can be converted? How can we separate sugar from water again?
Ma'am, no. Ma'am, no.
You are saying yes.
Yes.
Can be reversed or not?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
How it
Can
can be?
reverse.
How it can be reversed? Please
Yes.
tell.
By the process of evaporation.
Evaporation.
Yes. Name the process.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, evaporation.
For example, I'm just drawing. For example, I have sugar into water. Okay. I have added sugar. Yes, there is sugar. Then I pour some water into it. Okay. Then it get dissolved. Yes. Then how we can separate sugar from water? Yes. When I heat,
Ma'am,
what will happen? The water will evaporate. Water evaporates. Yes. And what we left with? We left with the sugar. Okay, so it can be done with the process named evaporation. Clear, bache? Okay. Now, so it can be reversed. Yes. Similarly, for the if we dissolve salt in water, we have done yesterday an activity. In that activity, salt gets dissolved in water. Similarly, we can separate salt from water by the process of evaporation. Okay. Now, next is cooking of food. Yes or no? You have to just tell me.
ma'am, irreversible change.
Jasum Dhingra.
No, it can't.
Yes.
Reversible.
It is not reversible, so we will write no. Okay. Ripening of a mango. Ripening of mango. Vasvi.
Ma'am, irreversible change.
Yes, it is irreversible. No, you will write no. Souring of milk.
Ma'am, irreversible change.
So the answer is no.
No.
Yes. The answer of sixth is no.
No.
Now next come to the. You all have written the answer? Just write it if you know. Okay. Now next is, now we will discuss fifth question. Give example to explain the difference. Yes. Anyone? But you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
स्टेटमेंट है मैम, उसमें लिखा है वाटर इनटू वाटर वेपर। तो मैम अब जब हम उसको रिवर्स करेंगे तो मैम वाटर वेपर इनटू वाटर, तो मैम इसका कंडेंसेशन ही आएगा।
बच्चे, water vapor into water, it is a process of condensation, right? It is right, but we have to reverse, we have to name the process of reverse होने पे उसको क्या बोलेंगे? If we convert water into water vapor, it is a process of evaporation.
मैम ओके।
कंफ्यूजन है सभी बच्चों को, मुझे पता है, कल भी मुझे इसीलिए बहुत मैसेज आ रहा था कि मैम, सो आई हैव रिटन इन बोर्ड और रिटन ऑन द बोर्ड, वाटर वेपर से वाटर बनेगा, इट इज राइट बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ कंडेंसेशन, बट क्वेश्चन क्या है कि रिवर्स हो सकता है। अगर रिवर्स हो सकता है तो रिवर्स वाले प्रोसेस का नाम बताना है। वाटर वेपर से वाटर बन सकता है, वाटर से वाटर वेपर भी बन सकते हैं, तो यस इट कैन बी रिवर्स। कौन सा प्रोसेस होगा जिससे वाटर से वाटर वेपर दोबारा बनेगा? तो वो नाम है इवापोरेशन। इट इज अ प्रोसेस ऑफ इवापोरेशन बाय व्हिच वाटर इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू वाटर वेपर। यू अंडरस्टैंड माय पॉइंट?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Water into water vapor, it is a process of evaporation. We have to write the process for the reverse. Okay, it can be reversed. Yes, it can be reversed. By which process we can reverse the water vapor into water? It is by the process of condensation. Now you get my point?
यस,
Yes.
थैंक यू।
बहुत
Excuse me, ma'am.
confused थी, इसलिए मैंने आज दोबारा क्लियर किया है। बच्चे, यस बच्चे,
मैम जो आपका असाइनमेंट का लास्ट क्वेश्चन था मुझे समझा दोगे?
असाइनमेंट का लास्ट, just
हाँ
1
जी
minute,
मैम।
I'm opening. How does a blacksmith change a piece of iron into different tools? So, blacksmith क्या होता है? The person who make iron tools. Yes? तो वो क्या करता है? उसने डिजायर कोई भी शेप देनी है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ये मेरे पास आयरन का है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इट इज मेड अप ऑफ आयरन। What will I do? I will firstly heat the iron till it becomes red hot. Okay, then I will mold it into any shape. Okay, वो पहले उस आयरन को हीट करेगा पूरा, जब तक रेड कलर नहीं आ जाता आयरन का। ठीक है, ऑन हीटिंग इट बिकम्स रेड। ओके, एंड देन इट कैन बी मोल्डेड इनटू एनी शेप। वो चाहे ऐसे बनाए, गोल बनाए, कोई भी शेप बना सकता है। यस, इट इज। योर वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर बच्चे। इट इज
It's very odd, which is the red color is red.
रेड कलर तब भी आएगा जब वो बहुत ज्यादा रेड गर्म हो जाएगा। ठीक है ना, तब ही हम उसकी शेप चेंज कर सकते हैं। अगर वो हार्ड हो गया तब हम उसकी शेप नहीं चेंज कर सकते। ठीक है ना, जब वो रेड हॉट है तभी शेप चेंज होती है। ओके, देन इट कूल डाउन टू गेट एनी द डिजायर्ड शेप।
मैं कुछ भी बना सकती हूँ।
हाँ जी, कुछ भी बना सकते हैं, कोई भी शेप बना सकते हैं। So now give it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, बच्चे।
Ma'am, I have a doubt that if we apply oil on our hair, our color changes. Our hair's color changes. So, ma'am, which type of change it is?
When we apply oil on hair, color changes. Color of the hair remains same. There is only a shiny appearance that comes to our hair. Okay, there is no change in the color of our hair.
And which type of change it is?
You can reverse the change when you wash, oil get removed from your hair. Yes. Clear? If you wash your hair, then you can remove the oil from your hair. Now next. Yes.
Excuse me, मैम मैम जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है उसका जो सेकंड बी पार्ट है उसमें आइस इनटू वाटर लिखा है तो उसपे मेथड मेल्टिंग नहीं आएगा
Bache, I am telling the same thing that we have to. What is the question? Firstly, understand the question. Read the question properly. Yes, question is, can we reverse the following change? Ice into water can be reversed? Yes, it can be reversed. Ice changes into water, water changes into ice. Yes, it can be reversed. Okay, by which process it can be reversed? Water is converted into ice. How it is possible? By only freezing it. Okay, or on cooling. Yes. Now it is clear. You have to mention the name. Ice into water. When we talk about how is ice is converted into water, it is melting. But we are talking about the reverse. Okay. Clear?
yes
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, bache.
Ma'am, like we add sugar to water, it can be reversed. But if we add sugar to milk, it can also be reversed.
Bache, but what will happen on heating? If we heat the milk, okay, it get properly dissolved into it. Yes, and